Hey Colorado, hey America. Let's talk about what's really going on. President Trump has just signed an executive order. Some of you are outraged, some of you are not, some of you are relieved. The executive order is to clear the streets of mental illness and homeless people. And some people are celebrating. But here's the truth. It's not leadership to sweep people under the rug. It's not compassion to criminalize suffering. And it's not constitutional to let the federal government bypass due process just because people make us uncomfortable. Just because people make us uncomfortable. So let me break it down. The Founding Fathers did not create a constitution to expand executive powers. They wrote it to restrain it. Federalist Paper number 51 said, powers must be checked, even when it feels convenient. And Benjamin Franklin said, those who give up liberty for safety deserve neither. And now, we're giving up both. When states like Colorado and California pass laws that make it illegal to be poor, to be sick, or to sleep in your car, and then the president joins that agenda, we should be alarmed, because this isn't just about homelessness. It is about what kind of country we're becoming. Mental illness is not a crime. Poverty is not a threat. And locking people away doesn't make our communities safer. It makes them colder. I'm Fatima Fernandez, founder of Harmony Card and candidate for governor. And I believe in a state that protects everyone, not just the privileged. If you're tired of leaders who play politics with people's lives, join me. Let's raise the bar. Let's lead with dignity. Let's build a state that honors the Constitution and the soul of the people. Leadership is out of control. Follow me for more truth, justice, and real solutions. Come on, America, let's raise the bar. Liberty and dignity is where it's at. Colorado Strong, the Harmony Initiative, Fatima for Colorado. And let's end homelessness with honor.